It's 2023 and technology has become an inevitable prerequisite in thriving brands. Organizations are either setting up an in-house team or outsourcing their work altogether to tech support companies, both of which have their own set of pros and cons. Now, what if I told you that we have combined the benefits of the in-house setup and outsourcing into our dedicated resource model? Dedicated resource model allows you to have the ultimate control over your own remote resources. You only have to pay for the resources that you have hired. This, in turn, will help you save cost of compliances, reducing operational expenses by up to 50%. With our industry-leading talent acquisition team, you get a pool of global resources to choose from as per your requirement. Each of these resources have a colorful portfolio justifying the scope of work. This means that even your recruitment team saves on its valuable time and efforts. Digital Aptech is an ISO 27001, ISO 9001, CMMI Level 3 global organization. In the past 10 years, we have helped over 350 brands achieve the digital presence that they deserve. And we can help you too. Contact us and we'll tell you more.